Hello, this is Sonia Honesty, qualified nutrition therapist. Now I thought I'd share with you this mocktail with different flavours of cranberry, ginger and orange. Now cranberry juice, this is loaded with antioxidants and vitamins. They are great for urinary tract health and also boosting your immune system. We've got oranges. Now oranges, they are a vitamin C powerhouse full of antioxidants. They are great for supporting the immune function and skin health, alongside providing extra nutrients such as calcium and vitamin D, which are needed for strong and healthy bones. And lastly, we have ginger. This is a spicy root which helps with digestion, reduces nausea, and also has some anti-inflammatory properties. So, if you want to get some more recipes and nutrition tips sent to you directly, then please just sign up for our newsletter, and you can see the link for that in the bio. So I've included the recipe below, and here is a video on how to make it. I hope you like it. Let me know how you get on, and have a great day. Bye bye.